It's me, Gregory J. White, owner and team member at White Plumbing Company. White Plumbing Company is a family-owned business with over 37 years of experience providing professional plumbing services to residential and small commercial properties. We've served the Chicagoland area, the DMV, and guess what? We have new locations opening soon. We are rapidly expanding and have corporate partnerships with Lowe's, Amazon, and Lincoln Properties. We pride ourselves on being professional, prompt, efficient, and friendly. We value you, the customer, and our team members strive to leave you with a clean job site and expert service that completely satisfies. Here at White Plumbing Company, we understand that family is important. So remember, if you want it right, call White.